Okay, here it comes. Remembering Sicily the cat.
Hey, Sicily. What's up, baby? Hello, guys. I'm needing help with phone this one. Sicily. Look over here. Look.
Sicily, was one of the female cats we ever gotten so far in this decade, but she's been with us since 2012, but unfortunately she was getting skinnier and she was puking, and sadly to say we lost her in February of this year, which left us Navy, Jackie, and Ralphie, and we no longer have her or Pepper the cat, but we do have Olivia. We went up to 5 cats. Well, from 2012 all the way up to last year, we had like 5. That's the highest number of cats that we ever had. And here's this one that focuses on Sicily.
Yeah. Sicily. What are you doing, Sicily, baby?
Don't ask if I said Sicily, baby.
This is Sicily. A cat who doesn't go on this.
Sicily was a sweetheart of a Navy, but I can't believe I'm doing this. This is like, feels like a tribute video to our cat Sicily. Remembering Sicily, doing a tribute video for this cat since we lost her back in February, but thankfully we have a new female cat by the name of Olivia. So God bless Sicily's soul. Sicily, we miss you. Rest in peace, Sicily.